How to install no-drill cellular shade. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete set including all necessary accessories. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. First, position the right end of the headrail firmly against the right inside edge of the window frame. Press and hold the spring-loaded end on the left side. Fit the left end of the headrail into the left inside edge of the window frame. Adjust the shade until it sits level and flush against the frame. Turn the wrench counterclockwise to secure the shade in place. Snap the white cover cap into the hole on the headrail. That's it! Your no-drill cellular shade is all set!